Someone speaks to you in English right now. Your heart beats faster. The words disappear from your mind, and you say nothing. If that has happened to you, this video changes that today. I am Amelia. I am James. And in the next 12 minutes, you will have 3 real phrases to use the exact moment fear shows up. Let us begin right now. Let us understand something important first. The fear you feel is not a weakness. It is a very human response.
When we speak a new language, our brain works very hard in just a few seconds. It searches for words, it checks the grammar, it worries about pronunciation.
No wonder it feels exhausting sometimes. And when something feels exhausting, our body sometimes chooses silence.
It feels safer to say nothing than to say something wrong.
But silence does not make you safer in the long run. Silence only makes the fear grow bigger.
The only way through fear is speaking through it, not around it, not after it disappears, through it.
Say this with me right now. My fear does not mean I am weak. Say it. Together. My fear does not mean I am weak.
Say this next sentence. My fear means I am trying something difficult. Say it. Together. My fear means I am trying something difficult.
And difficult things are usually the things most worth doing.
Section 1 summary. Fear is a normal human response. The way through fear is speaking through it.
Now, let us give you real tools. 3 phrases you can use the exact moment fear shows up in your chest.
Phrase 1. When you do not know what to say. Let me think for a moment, please. Say it. Together. Let me think for a moment, please.
This phrase buys you time. It is completely normal. Native speakers use it too.
Phrase 2. When you did not understand. I am sorry. Could you say that again, please? Say it. Together. I am sorry. Could you say that again, please?
This phrase is not weak. This phrase is wise.
Phrase 3. When you make a mistake. I am still learning. Thank you for your patience. Say it. Together. I am still learning. Thank you for your patience.
This phrase is honest, and honesty always feels lighter than hiding.
Here is a quick story. A woman named Carol avoided speaking English for 10 years because she feared sounding wrong.
One day, her grandson asked her something. She finally said, I am still learning. Thank you for your patience.
Her grandson smiled and said, Grandma, I am proud of you for trying.
That one sentence changed everything for Carol. The people who love us do not need our English to be perfect. They just need us to try.
Say all 3 phrases one more time. Let me think for a moment, please. I am sorry. Could you say that again, please? I am still learning. Thank you for your patience.
Comment challenge number 1. Which of these 3 phrases was the hardest for you to pronounce? Let me think for a moment, please. Could you say that again, please? Or, I am still learning. Thank you for your patience. Write the number in the comments.
1, 2, or 3. We read every single one, and we reply to many of them.
Now, let us talk about building courage, little by little, every single day.
Courage is not something you wait for. Courage is something you build, like a muscle, with small, repeated actions.
Step 1. Speak to yourself out loud every morning. Describe your day, your feelings, your plans.
This is safe. Nobody is listening except you.
Step 2. Choose one small moment every day to speak one sentence in English to a real person.
It could be at the pharmacy. It could be on a phone call. It could be one sentence to your neighbor. One sentence. That is all.
Step 3. After you speak, notice how it felt.
Even if your hands were shaking, even if you forgot a word, it happened, and it counts.
Let us practice a small daily sentence right now. Imagine you are at the pharmacy. Say this out loud. Good morning. I am here to pick up my prescription, please. Say it. Pause. Together. Good morning. I am here to pick up my prescription, please.
That sentence right there could be your one brave moment today.
Section 3 Summary. Speak to yourself every morning. Choose one small, real moment to speak daily. Notice how it felt afterward. Small steps build real courage. Now let us talk about mistakes that keep fear alive longer than it needs to be.
Mistake number 1, waiting to feel completely ready before speaking.
That feeling of being ready almost never arrives on its own. Readiness grows from speaking, not before it.
Mistake number 2, comparing your English to someone else's English.
Your journey is your own.
Mistake number 3, believing one mistake defines your whole ability.
One mistake is one moment. It is not a measurement of who you are. Quick practice.
I say the fearful thought, you say the kinder thought out loud. Fearful thought, I will never speak well. Kinder thought, say it.
I am improving every single day.
Fearful thought, everyone will notice my mistakes. Kinder thought, say it.
Most people are simply happy that I am trying.
Every kinder thought you choose today weakens the fear a little more.
Practice time. I will describe a moment of fear. You say the phrase that helps you through it, out loud, with your real voice.
Situation 1. Your mind goes blank. What do you say?
Let me think for a moment, please. Say it out loud, right now.
Situation 2. You did not catch the words. What do you say?
I am sorry. Could you say that again, please? Say it out loud, right now.
Situation 3. You make a small mistake. What do you say to yourself?
I am still learning. Thank you for your patience. Say it out loud, right now.
Situation 4. You feel nervous before speaking at all. What do you remind yourself?
My fear means I am trying something difficult. Say it out loud, right now.
You just practiced your way through 4 real moments of fear. That is exactly how courage is built.
Comment challenge number 2. Out of these 4 situations, which one happens to you the most often? A mind going blank, not catching the words, making a mistake, or feeling nervous before you even start? Write the letter in the comments. A, B, C, or D. We genuinely want to know what to teach next. We have reached the end of today's lesson.
Fear does not mean you cannot do this. Fear means you are standing right at the edge of growth.
Quick final review. Fear is normal. Speak through it, not around it.
3 phrases for the moment fear appears.
Let me think for a moment, please. Could you say that again, please? I am still learning. Thank you for your patience.
3 small daily steps. Speak to yourself every morning. Speak one sentence to a real person daily. Notice how it felt afterward.
Comment challenge number 3, our final one today. You now have 3 phrases for fear. Pick the one you will use this week and tell us exactly where you plan to use it. The pharmacy, the phone, your neighbor, anywhere.
Write it below in one sentence. We will be looking for your comment, and we will cheer you on personally.
If today helped you even a little, please share it with someone who feels afraid to speak English too.
Like this video. Subscribe to Lore Learn English. Press the bell for new episodes every week.
You are not behind. You are not too late. You are exactly where you need to be.
The next time fear shows up, take a breath. Choose one phrase from today and speak anyway.
That is real courage. And you have it inside you already.
See you next time.